unit fraction tricks. Okay, so unit fraction means you can see 1 in the numerator sections. Okay, again here mixed fraction, but numerator is 1. Okay, let's do it. So 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3, what we are going to do? For denominator, we are going to multiply. 2 3s are 6. For numerator, 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2. So it's 5 upon 6. Now coming to 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 9. So what we are going to do first? For denominator, 4 9s are 36. Then 9 1s are 9 plus 4 1s are 4 equals 13 upon 36. Subtraction. 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 7. How we are going to do it? First, we are going to multiply and get the denominator. Okay, 35. 7 1s are 7 minus 5 1s are 5. So we get the answer 2 upon 35. So you can do it. Whole number is there 3 and 1 upon 7. And here 7 is the whole number and 1 upon 2. So this is a mixed fraction addition. So what we are going to do first? We are going to add first the whole number. 7 plus 3 is 10. Then 2 1s are 2 plus 7 1s are 7. This is the numerator part. And the denominator 7 2s are 14. So what is the answer? 9 upon 14. Okay. So I hope you understood and you can do this addition. Thank you for watching.